you to get a good look at this, Trey. You see my toe? Let me see. Can y'all see my... You know how people's feet be looking? And how it's like, it builds up to the big toe, and it builds down to the pinky toe. My toes, I noticed today, it's a bit different. Look, ain't that right, Trey? Yes. Look, here it goes. Look at this. Okay, one would think that this is my foot in these sandals. They're too small, but look, you would think that this is my foot. And that would look about normal. Tell me, why is my pinky toe so short? Look, it's way right here. It's right here. Oh, you see that? My pinky toe is right here. And all this go way up here. What is wrong with my toes? Hey, you can't be telling people I got brown toes. Stop. But look at it. Why my pinky toe so short? Look. Why is it so short? It's like that's not normal. You see it? It stops right here. Everything else goes way up there.